Hey there viewers, SunGod2009. It's been a while since I have made an update on the BattleStation itself. I made a promise that I would make it, so here it is. In the updated version compared to the Apiva case. This is a Themaltake MK1 Chaser, my favorite case. Kind of think of it, it would be sad if I got rid of this case. Okay, this is one of my favorite case. Giving it a tour. It's really nice. That's an extra additional stickers I've added. With the side fan. With the back with the graphics. Along with the wireless card. But I even love the inside of this case. I love the fact that I could take this cover off. And of course I could take the front cover off with one hand. It's a little dirty, I could clean it up, but still. It's easy access. It's really nice. I like it. One of my favorite case. Easiest case I've worked with. There we go. I don't see them making these anymore. Maybe I'm wrong. And even if it is, it's probably around 300 or something if they were sold. It's pretty cool. Now to take this case off. So side panel, how about that? I'm not going to take a shot on the back. Because I don't feel like redoing the wiring and closing it and all that stuff. But here's what the inside looks like. It's pretty cool. So the update. It's now running an MSI X470 Gaming Plus with an AMD Ryzen 1600. I might upgrade at some point when I can. I'm running an AMD Radeon 5500 RT. I'm sorry, XT. It also has the beautiful it has my favorite Corsair power supply with the 850. It's still a reliable 850 modular. I did hear there were complaints about them, but this one works perfectly fine. I mean, I've taken good care of it and it's still running. So, yeah. And then here's my custom-made cooler master with Dual Corsair magnetic fan, even the one on the side. I actually like this setup over a radiator cooler. I thought it looks pretty sweet. And it's been keeping my case cool. I've been freaking happy as hell. That's all get out. Inside there is a dual NVMe drive, and there is another one way inside. I don't know if you can see it. That's the Western Digital, and there's the Intel running my Linux system. There's the wireless card with the Bluetooth connectivity on there, which is great. And of course, here are my drive bays. One of them is this is my 4 terabyte, my 1 terabyte, and another 1 terabyte. This is my program data where all my games are going. this is where my virtual machine files are, and also this is where I keep my backups, which is pretty cool. But overall, again, I love this case. It's a great case, and this is the update of my gaming machine. I'm very happy with it. The only little dilemma complaint I have with this board, and I have to be honest about it, is what MSI was thinking when they put the PCI slot here. If I put a bigger graphics card, there's a high probability I will hit this. I've tried it on my older AMD 7770, and it started hitting this, and I don't like that. That bothers me, so I would have to find a slim profile one that will fit with this. But other than that, I can't complain much, and I would have to probably find a slim profile that will fit here as well. Again, no big deal. Now here's what it looks like when you power it on. Again, I love that. I know the bottom fan, it's a mismatch, but I don't care. It does what it's supposed to do. It keeps my case cool. I'm very happy with it. I may have to sort out that clattering noise. That sounds like one of the wires are touching the fan, but I can easily fix that. But that's it. That is the update on my BattleStation, and it's going to serve me well for many years to come. So, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see any more videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. And subscribe to my friend Toxic, and I'll continue making more videos as soon as I'm done having fun with this Ferrari La Ferrari.